And it is a Storm Team 6 alert day. Right now, Kyle, you are tracking some storms.
Yeah, and we've got one that's fairly significant, and now a severe thunderstorm warning for the Indianapolis area, as the National Weather Service is warning well out ahead of this storm because it could have some winds around 80 miles per hour. So now a severe thunderstorm warning, again, including Indianapolis until 7:30. So about an hour or so from that storm getting into the downtown area. You can also see it includes portions of Hamilton, Boone, Hendricks counties as well. With that storm that's moving into Crawfordsville, your warning goes until 6:30 this evening. And as we have that potential for some 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts, you can see a little closer view here starting to improve in Petersburg. Still going to take a little bit of time, but some of those strongest winds now crossing 231, moving into the Crawfordsville area. We'll move into Rochdale here in the next 15 minutes. Thorntown at 6:33 and Lebanon at 6:44 this evening. And you can see that this line of thunderstorms starting to build back to the west a little bit. So some very heavy rainfall, some flash flooding potential with these as well. And you can see a few more of those storms starting to pop up here to the north. But we're going to be watching this one very closely for you and tracking it to the east as we go through the evening. And you can see by 9 o'clock, still some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms moving into the Muncie and Rushville areas at that point. By the time we reach midnight and a little bit after, though, things will greatly be quieting down here. Really, the biggest threat for us going to be some gusty winds, possibly some large hail, just that isolated tornado threat here as we go through the next couple of hours. These storms are feeding off of all that heat and humidity that has returned to central Indiana. We made it to 90 today, but it still feels like 92 in downtown, feels like 92 in Peru, and your temperature's still at 90 degrees in the Columbus area. Tonight, we'll have mostly cloudy skies after those evening storms. A low temperature, not cooling off a whole lot at all, down to 70 degrees. And as we take your Monday hour by hour here, we'll have partly sunny skies, isolated shower or thunderstorm as we go through the day. But once again, I think we're going to make a run at that 70 or that 90 degree mark. 91 for you in Columbus, 90 in Indianapolis, and that's going to be putting our heat index values into the middle 90s once again. I would say that our rain chance tomorrow only about 20% as we go with TrueCast here into the afternoon. You see just very hit or miss. Most of us are not going to see any rain as we go through our Monday afternoon and evening. And as we go into Tuesday, we'll bump up that rain chance to about 30%. Otherwise, it's pretty similar to what we are expecting Monday, with a high again around 90 degrees. Best chance of rain over the next 7 days does come our way on Wednesday. Some scattered thunderstorms there. That will come with a cold front, and that brings in some cooler, refreshing air. High temperatures around 80 degrees instead of 90. In fact, on Friday, some of us with sunshine may not get out of the 70s.